Hello friends, this is Nachiket and we are just going to explore what Indian Air Force comprises of. I know these are not all the aircrafts, but we tried to do a 3D printing job on for all these aircrafts. Typically, these are Indian Air Force aircraft. So starting from below, let's go like this. The first one is Mirage 2000, French made. Uh, it's a Mach fighter. That means it's a supersonic jet. It's a single engine fighter, and it was used in Kargil war a lot with modified bombs and other bit. It's a workhorse. We have small numbers, but we do have Mirage 2000 with us. Then the next Dassault French plane, which is Rafale. We all know that. And in Operation Sindoor, especially, Rafales played a vital role. We all know that. It's a twin engine jet. Now we have two types of Rafales. One is the Air Force Rafale. The other is naval Rafale. So 36 naval Rafales we have ordered. They will have stronger landing gear. They will have hook. They will have multiple different things which are different than the regular Rafale. Then we have this, which is just a top view of Rafale. We have MiG-25 here. Okay, so I could find a plate for MiG-25. This is one of the fastest supersonic Mach 3 jet, we can call it. Okay, so there was only one who was beating this, was SR-71 Blackbird, which was American, but this was all to do with stainless steel. Okay, so stainless steel welding, and there are fascinating stories. You can go on YouTube and explore. We only owned one MiG-25, okay, and that was twin seater, and that was only for reconnaissance mission. So this was not a reconnaissance mission aircraft. What you see here, Om, if you can zoom in, this part is something which is a single seat version, and this is an interceptor. Okay, so this is consisting of 4 air-to-air missiles, and it was having a very short range. It was not very high service ceiling, but it was having a short range. We used it over Pakistan for multiple what I can say photograph clicking missions. Okay, so reconnaissance missions. So MiG-25, one of the fastest, and large noise it creates when it crosses the speed of sound, shock waves it generates. We have the smaller one, which is MiG-21 Fishbet. We had way advanced version than anybody else had. Recently we retired the MiG-21 just before, maybe I think last week. So just before our Air Force Day, Indian Air Force Day, we retired this MiG-21. Supersonic, very small, agile, extremely fast, and it was an interceptor. That means it was not something which was designed for long range. It was designed for a short range. And this is something which was used by 60 plus air forces, and Indian Air Force used it for 60 plus years. So glorious history it had. The top one, it is Sukhoi 30 MKI. So if you can go near Om, just help me with this. You have this as a most advanced Sukhoi. It is even better than Super Sukhoi. Okay, and this is called as we typically call it as air dominance fighter. So what it does is it is a long range one, and it's not just going to fight, it's going to dominate the entire airspace. So it has AESA radars, it has multiple different air-to-air missiles. BrahMos is getting integrated, and that is going to make it a formidable fighter. It's large, it doesn't have a small radar cross section, it has a huge radar cross section. Anybody can see it, but when somebody sees it, they know that they are cooked. Okay, so Sukhoi 30 MKI, we have good numbers of them. We have now announced upgradation of Sukhoi 30 to Super Sukhoi, and there are multiple upgrades which are going to come down from Ozer factory in Nasik. So HAL manufactures is Sukhoi 30 MKI under license from USSR or Russia, I would say. Okay. Now there are two main aircrafts missing. One is Tejas, LCA Tejas, we all know. So one is Mark 1, Mark 1A, and Mark 2. So we are going to have those covered maybe in a later stage. The next one, which is not being talked a lot, is a ground attack aircraft, which is Jaguar, Sipacat Jaguar, and that is actually Darin 3 version. So it's a most advanced version available in the field right now with regards to Jaguars. Okay, now worldwide Jaguars are not used. We are the only force which is remaining with Jaguars. Maybe they will get replaced with LCA. So light combat aircrafts only, Tejas only. Okay, so two important aircrafts, fighter aircrafts are missing. One is Jaguar, the other is Tejas. Okay, yes. So we are coming to this part. There are two types of transport, or two versions of transport aircrafts which we have. One is IL-76, which is called as Gajaraj, and this is the second one, which is C-17 Globemaster. This is US made. Boeing makes it. I think Boeing. I'm not very sure. Boeing or Lockheed Martin. Forgive me about that. But we have this aircraft which is with us for tactical and strategic, what I can say, strategic missions. So IL-76 is Ilyushin. It is Russian, and that is also in large numbers. We have these in numbers which are more than 10 but less than 20. That's what I know. Okay, coming to the rotary wing aircrafts. So these are called as rotary wing aircrafts. Again, there are multiple rotary wing aircrafts missing which are there with us, but they are not displayed here. One is this, which is Mi-24. That is an attack helicopter. Okay, so it's a flying tank. The entire cabin is reinforced with titanium. So this is something which is interesting. Then we have Apache, the new recruit. This is again an attack helicopter, but it is from US, and we do have this attack helicopters in large numbers, and some deliveries are yet to come. And then we have Chinook, which is a transport aircraft. So we are missing Mi-8, we are missing Mi-26, which is one of the largest. Then we are also missing LCH, that is light combat helicopter, and we are also missing the advanced light helicopter ALH, which is Prachand, ALH Prachand. So we have Dhruva and Prachand, which are missing here. But then I think, and Chetak, Cheetah, these small rotary aircrafts we are missing. But the whole point was we did a lot of 3D printing for Indian Air Force aircrafts. So I just wanted to show these on Air Force Day on 8th of October 2025. I hope you guys got some information. Not all, I'm not an expert in aircraft, but I'm enthusiast. I used to read a lot of books about aircrafts. So wanted to share a few things. Okay, let me know how you liked the video, and we will meet again. Bye.